Hello everyone, I'm Big Solo and welcome to this video tutorial. On 15th of February 2025, I posted a video on TikTok that catch many attentions. And this is when I posted 100% winning signal on this asset called Maka. Maka is one of the greatest projects that you can find their coin on any exchange. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, I just posted that buy Maka at $800, and at that time the price was exactly $800. And also I added that whoever buys it at $800 can sell it at 1,200 or $1,300 and take profit of almost 50%. And even though this is a dead signal, because I'm recording this video on 25th of February, so currently Maka is selling at 1,445 currently as I'm recording this video. So you can just see from 15th to 21st, that is 6 days, you should have made close to 60%. That is why I always tell you that this is the only channel that can help you to make money online. We talk about online money making opportunities, being trading, being affiliate, being direct investment, whatever you can do online to make money, we talk about it on this channel. That is why you need to become a member of our community. How can you become a member of this great community? Just subscribe to our community channel and invite all your friends to also come and join this channel. I really understand that you miss this signal, because this signal have made a lot of people 60% of their trading profits in a period of 6 days. If you miss this signal, don't worry. That's why I'm here. That's why this channel is here. And I'm here to give you another signal, and this coin is called Radium. You can find it in any exchange. It is currently selling at $4.5. And before I did my analysis, I bought it at 4.3. So the next 5 days ahead of us, if you are going to buy it 4.5 and sell it at 5.3 or $8, you are still going to make profit. So at the end of maybe 6 days or 10 days before you take profit, you should have made close to 25 to 30% profit. So just imagine if you are making 25% every 10 days, that means at the end of the month, you are going to make 75% of your trading capital. So this channel is going to help you to make a successful trade by just providing you with the signals. No experience needed here. Whether you know how to trade, whether you have a trading account, whether you've been trading before or not, you can follow these systematic signals and make profit. All you have to do is your interest to learn the basic. And what is the basic? Just copy and paste. Just go ahead, create an account on any of your choice exchange, and then put amount of money like $500, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, and be part of our team. Once we put the signal, you just take it, enter it, and make profits. So right now, go ahead and buy Ray at 4.3 or 4.5, even 4.6, you are still good to go, right? And sell it at 5.3 or $6, $7 or $8. It is not necessary that you have to always take profit exactly the price we ask you to sell. For example, we say sell it at 5.3. If you think $6 is okay for you, the profit is good for you, just leave the market, take your profit. If you think 5.3 is okay for you, you just leave the market, because this is trading market. Nobody controls it. Okay, so once you hit profits, just take profits and go and enjoy. Trust me, we are going to do our best to provide a wonderful trading signals so that you can make money. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like this video. Of course, I know you like this video, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel, become a member of our money making community. See you in our next video.